Hi there, students. To titter. A titter. Okay, if something's really funny, you give a great big belly laugh. But if it's just a little bit funny, you may titter. Okay, so to titter is like a little laugh. Often, to titter means to laugh nervously, but just a little bit, at something you shouldn't be laughing at. So, I don't know, many people titter with embarrassment when start to talk about sex. So, let's see, a titter, to giggle or to snigger. Now, I think both giggle and snigger are louder. To chuckle, I think that's even louder as well. All of these are laughs. But a titter, a short little laugh, particularly when people are embarrassed about something. To snigger about something, to titter about it. Maybe they were tittering about what I did because they didn't like it very much, but they didn't want to show publicly that everybody was like that. Okay, so yeah, when I have a lapsus linguae, I say the wrong thing in class. Sometimes the students start to titter. It's a short, half suppressed little giggle. Yeah. So children very often titter when they know they're not supposed to laugh. Yeah. There was tittering from the side. So giggling, sniggering, chuckling. Okay, but titter, a little baby laugh, maybe half suppressed. Yeah, particularly because people feel that they should be laughing at it or they shouldn't be laughing at it. I told what I thought was a very funny joke, but there were only a few titters because it turned out it was not the right thing to make a joke about at that time and place. Okay, so a half-restrained, self-conscious, affected laugh, particularly affected by nervousness. Yeah, they were tittering with embarrassment. So, to chortle, yeah, to laugh. Okay, so let's see, what about formality, to titter? I'm going to give to titter a 5 in formality. Notice as well, it's both a verb and a noun. I could hear titters from the audience. The audience were tittering, so both a verb and a noun. And then, formality, 5 used absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, there's a Middle English word, tittering, talking about hesitation. Yeah, and it's probably related to the Old Norse word, Viking, to shake, to shiver, to quiver, titra. Okay, so I guess that's it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To titter, a restrained laugh.